India versus England. I think India played really well in this series and fantastic series for Team India. Big shoes to fill, I would say, because we all know that Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, players like Rocco, announced retirement from Test cricket before the series, and I think in the mid of the series in Bodegavaskar Trophy, Ashwin Anna also retired from Test cricket, announced his retirement. So big concerns and big worries for Team India that who will be the next spinner, who will bat at number three. But I think India managed it very well. Kuldeep Yadav, obviously we missed him in the playing 11 throughout the series, but Washington Sundar and Ravindra Jadeja were simply awesome. And then at number three, Sai Sudarshan was good. Obviously, a lot of experience is needed if you are batting at number three, but he was simply amazing, I would say. Talk about Shubman Gill. There were a lot of discussions were going on that. Shubman Gill never performs in Sena countries, especially in India. If I talk about the discussions, so in Sena countries he never performs. Sena, South Africa, England, New Zealand, and in Australia. But I think this time not with the bat. He was so impressive with his captaincy skills. Also, obviously, it's not an easy task for anybody. A player like Shubman Gill, 25 years old boy, representing his nation at the age of 25, a big team like India. It was simply awesome, I would say. And we all know that at the end of IPL 2025, he started his preparations for the English conditions for England tour. I think he changed his techniques also for English conditions. Intent. The intent was amazing, I would say. Initially, Jaiswal also started with century, then eventually he ended up with also with the century also, and 2-2 was the score line. I would say that lot of talks were going on for the score line also, that 4-0, 5-0. India might not be much impressive in this series, but I think things went well. KL Rahul was very good. Kamal Lajwab Rahul, and I'm so happy for him that finally he got his position at like he will open the innings for with Jaiswal in the upcoming series.